Hi my friends, this is Cori. Welcome to the diamond painting effect with Cori. I should say diamond painting and cross stitching effect with Cori, because today I'm here with another unboxing from VIP Cross Stitch. There's a lot in here, so I'll probably break this up into 2 videos, but we'll see how far we get, and let's get started. I like VIP Cross Stitch. They have lots and lots of things. They only have needlework stuff at the present, so but they have all kinds. Don't forget, I have a code. It's Cori07. If you use that code when you go to VIP Cross Stitch, you'll get 7% off your order, and that lets them know that I sent you. Make sure I've got everything out of the bag. And let's see. Okay. I guess I'll just start with what's on top. And this is what's on top. This is a little Victorian seaside house. It's called European Style Villa. It is a 14 count, and it's 35 by 44 centimeters, and it is a Joy Sunday style cross stitch. Hopefully it's stamped. Yes, it says pre-printed. And let's open it up and pull out all these little goodies in here. Okay, this is the cover sheet, and here is the pattern. The pattern consists of, it looks like it's just one fold out page, front and back. It has 36 colors in it, it looks like. I'm trying to see if there's any overflow. There will be a French knot, and let's see, 6 colors of back stitching. And so the symbols on this sheet will look different from what's on the fabric, what's printed on the fabric. I don't know why Joy Sunday does that. There are times, however, when I'm doing some of the other kits that it's not clear. What's confusing me isn't clear on the fabric or on the pattern, and so this helps because these are definitely clear patterns to look at. And you also need the pattern to do the back stitching. Looks like there's a lot of back stitching around the house frame, the dormers, I think that's what those are called, and the structures of the building, and a little bit around the fence. So it breaks it down into 4 actual pages to look at. Okay, let's look at the threads. These are some nice muted colors, a lot of green. There's a gray, here's a dark blue. I'm wondering if that's 939. Let's see what color that is. That is color number 1. And it's color number 744. So anyway, there's some grays, yellow, light blue, and let's see on this side we've got some more blues and some more greens. There's a pink color right there, pink reddish color. These are nice threads. They have 2 needles stapled up here in a little baggie, and it says "Into the Cross Stitch of Love" on this little panel. So, and here is the Aida cloth. It's 14 count, so there's a lot of stitches here. I don't know, it looks like I've been getting more 14 counts lately. And this doesn't really, don't worry, it doesn't look exactly like the picture because the colors are different. I think it helps that the colors are different because then you can see what you've actually stitched and what you need to stitch. There's no confusion. And it looks like the printing did land on the Aida cloth grid the way it should. And it is very clear. Very clear. And this is gonna, I think this is gonna be very pretty when it's done. I think it's gonna make a pretty cross stitch pattern. So that's it for what they call European style villa. I'm excited about that one. I've got lots of houses to do. Hold on, please. Okay, sorry about that. I'm beginning to realize it's not just my phone I need to worry about anymore. We're going to get into the next one. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do the next 4 real quick. These are ones I've already done. This one. I did this one in a 11 count, but I wanted to do the whole set. It has winter. They're like little shadow boxes, samplers. This one's winter. This one's summer. My sister did this one, and I've shown that one to you guys after she finished it. This one is autumn. And Stitching with Ava finished this one, and she did a video just this week on how to put the back, I don't know, put it onto a board and do the lacing a bit back behind it. And this one turned out really nice too. And summer, winter, and then spring. I really like these. I thought the one I did was fun when I did the winter one. They're quick and they're easy and fun. And VIP Cross Stitch gave a deal. Sorry about the glare, guys. They gave a deal if you bought all 4, you got a discount on it. And so that's how I chose to do this. The other one I wanted to do them in 14 count, even though I already had this one in 11 count. So that worked for me. I'll go through these really quickly. I know other people have done these. They're so cute, so I know they're out there. So I'll do this real quick. This amounts to the cover page on this spring one. And it's, gee, is that it? That's it. That's the whole pattern. It doesn't even look like there's much. There is a little bit of back stitch. And I can't even tell where it is right now. Oh, it's a clothesline. Clothesline. And anyway, there are 21 colors. And these are the spring colors right here. We got a bright yellow. That's Marcy's favorite color. And we got greens and blues. And, you know, we just have like one strand of a lot of these. I think my sister ran out of color on one that she did. I don't remember which one. And I can't remember if I did on this one. I will admit Joy Sundays are the most apt to run out of threads on. And but you know, just you be very careful when you do your cross stitching. And so there's the Aida cloth on this one. This one, I'm excited to do this one. This will be a quick and easy stitch. So all of Joy Sundays are serged around the edges, and that makes it so your fabric isn't likely to fray. And I'm gonna have to pause for a minute. Okay, and next we'll look at the autumn one. The autumn one has Has some autumn leaves on it, a park bench, dragonfly. It has a little mailbox, scarecrow, and I don't know, is that supposed to be the Eiffel Tower? I don't know. And the pumpkin, and we'll call that a hot beverage maker there. The spring one had butterflies and flowers. It had a birdhouse, a pinwheel, and then it had some clothes out on the laundry with some ladybugs. And this is like a postage stamp mark. And the bike, some little chickadees and trees. So those are the themes for those two. And I'm going to pull this one out so we can look at it. The autumn one, this one is also a 14 count. We'll use 2 strands of thread on the 14 count. And these are definitely fall colors right here. Got some oranges, and the tones of green here are in red and yellow, definitely into fall. There's also the needles here, and the pattern sheet is like the other one, is only 1 page, and there are 22 colors in this one with 3 backstitch colors. This one has a postage mark up here. I believe that's what that's supposed to be, is a postage mark. That's what it looks like to me. And here is the Ada. And it also is serged, of course, and it looks like the printing has landed where it needed to land on the Ada grid. And the symbols are very clear and easy to read on this one. So I'm gonna get this like this, and we'll put this in here. We've got 2 more to go. This one is summer. The summer one has some sea creatures on it there, starfish and seashells and an anchor. It has a big fish, a clownfish there. It has some lifesavers. Has some green foliage, and this is the stamp. It's a beach of a stamp. Flip-flops, a lighthouse, and some summer clothes. And this is just so cute, so cute. It has a little sailboat and the steering wheel of a boat, a wooden steering wheel. And here are the bright or blues of summer. By the sea, basically. Those are pretty colors. This one has the 2 needles on it. And this is the Ada. And it is also stamped very clearly. 7 by 26, and they are all the same size, by the way. I haven't been saying that, but they are the same size. And this one has, try to get this out without pulling everything down with it. This one has 21 colors as well. I believe the first one had a few more colors, but I don't even remember that far back. But anyway, this is stamped nicely as well. And I think these are going to be some fun stitching right here. I had good, nice summer stitching. They, not the big heavy ones like I've been working on. It'll be nice to work on these little ones. I've got the Victorian Wharf I'm working on, and I've got the European Town, and those, I got a lot of big ones that are going, and I kind of work on them, but it'll be nice to have these just in hand and not laying all over my lap. And the last one is the winter one, and this is the one that I have completed. It is also 27 by 27. The others were 27 by 26. So this one is a little bit bigger apparently. And with the winter Christmas tree, a Christmas wreath, and has some Christmas cookies and candies. Winter mittens. It has a Santa and a reindeer. A gift bag and lots of gifts. And a stocking. And a fireplace. And a snowman. And Christmas colors of threads all through here. This one, I really liked how that one turned out. In fact, hold on just a minute. I'll go get it. Okay, so I'm back. This is the 11 count that I completed. And I thought, I haven't washed it yet and gotten the, I don't know what's holding me back on that. Probably because the ones I want to frame are these smaller ones. But I just thought this one turned out so pretty. I love it. And so that's the winter one. That's 11 count. And I had, these are the leftover threads that I had on this one. And I'm wondering, I may not even have to do more floss drops. I might be able to just switch over or add to what's here. And I know I'll have plenty of threads on this one. Hopefully that'll work out that way. So that's the one I've completed. And we'll get this out of the way. And so these are the winter colors. They just blend so nicely on here. The way the colors are, they just nice and gradual gradients of the color. And this is what it looks like before it's stitched. And of course it has the serging, and the markings have landed on the Ada precisely. And I'm looking forward to working on these. This one also had the needles. I don't remember if I told you that. And this is the pattern to follow. It does have some back stitching as well. It only has 20 colors in this one. So that is, I'm going to leave that. That's all I'll do. I've got about 3 more over here that I'll do in another video. I think I've reached the end of my rope today. But I'm really excited about these. My winter, let's see if we can get these in some kind of order. My winter, my spring, my summer, and fall. Get those away from the glare. And I've got this little cozy little European style villa. To me, that looks like something you would see on the eastern coast of the United States. So I think that's a pretty scene. I want to thank you guys for joining me for the diamond painting effect with Cori. The diamond painting effect with Cori is gonna need a new name change, I think. If you want to pitch in with your ideas, go ahead and list them below. I'm open to suggestions. Take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.